Dirt and dust are enemies of your engine. They can lead to shorter engine life and decreased performance. When your machine works in extreme conditions, your cooling system's got to be up for the challenge. Is one cooling system really smarter than the others? It sure is. We'll show you how patented dual-path cooling, superior protection, and a smart fan give Bobcat a big advantage over other brands. Check this out. It all starts up here. The Bobcat radiator and hydraulic oil cooler are protected high above the engine, between the uprights, giving better protection from rebar, branches, and other items that can lead to downtime. The hydraulically driven Bobcat Smart Fan senses the machine temperature and only turns as fast as needed. This leads to quieter operation. But here's the huge difference. The patented Bobcat dual-path cooling system draws cool, clean air from above and pulls a small amount of air out of the engine compartment and forces it out the sides. Watch this. The fog shows the airflow direction. The Smart Fan draws air from the top and then pushes it out the sides, right where others draw their air in. As you work, the dirty, dusty air stays out. And there is no suction near the ground at the back of the loader. Like Bobcat loaders, this John Deere machine has a variable speed fan, but look at the radiator location. It's vulnerable to damage and just gets in the way when you got to do your maintenance work. 30 years ago, Bobcat placed the radiators back here, but we got wiser. If you back into one of these, you'll have a broken fan, maybe a damaged radiator, and you'll be looking for parts. John Deere, they take the dirty air near the top of the tracks, drag it past the hot engine, and push it straight out the back. It draws only a small amount of cleaner, cooler air from above the engine. The Takeuchi radiator is here in back. They win the award for the largest opening next to a radiator. These slots are big enough to fit a 2x4. Dirty air is drawn in over the tracks, and some clean air comes in from the top. More dusty air comes from the ground. It all fills the engine compartment and gets pushed out the back. This has to wreak havoc on your filters. The Caterpillar radiator is in the same protected location as the well-designed Bobcat system, but their intake isn't any smarter than a fifth grader. They take dirty air from the dirtiest part of the machine, right off the top of the tracks, suck it through the hot engine compartment, and exhaust it out of the top of the radiator. In really dusty environments, the Caterpillar machines are easy to spot. They're the ones spewing a giant rooster tail of dirt and dust. They like to boast about their bigger filters, but you need them with all the extra stuff entering the engine compartment. These cooling systems might look the same, but what a difference. Better cooling equals a quieter, more efficient machine. That maximizes your uptime and extends your engine life. The patented Bobcat design gives you the best cooling protection, a smart fan, and superior airflow. Smarter cooling is undeniably a Bobcat advantage.